the JoCo Cruise 2024.
Again?
Again, we keep JoCo cruising.
We keep JoCo cruising.
Let's do a tiny tour of our room. This is our room. You can see it. we can do better than this.
Hi, welcome to the JoCo Cruise. Again, we're doing it. This is our room. 2024
and we've begun JoCo cruising in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're about to set sail on the Nieuw Amsterdam from Terminal 26. Boy, it took us a while to find that, didn't it?
Listen, man, numbers are hard.
This is the beginning of our suite tour, our front door, where you can see the entrance to the rest of the ship. Out there are other humans.
Ew.
Let's stay here for a while. Why don't I see you? Oh, wait, am I looking at the mirror or myself?
At yourself, buddy. No, that's the mirror. Okay. You'll find out how to use this camera eventually.
This is our bathroom. It contains both a bath and a room.
That's all you need, really.
No, this is on a cruise ship. This is like luxury. This is a hotel room.
Most people just get a bath, no room.
With room for your feet.
It's a feet room.
And this is my child.
I don't have a name yet.
Oh, we have to put our names on our badges. We just stood in line for 20 minutes to get badges. Everything else was extremely quick. And then we stood in line to get a lanyard and a badge. I don't know. But now there'll be no more lines for a week.
Never another line at all.
Well, actually, we're seeing how well this thing performs in the high wind.
Yes.
This is my friend Murr, and we're going to have a fantastic cruise together on the JoCo Cruise. It's golden hour on day one. We've already had more fun than we usually have in a whole week.
That's true. That's true. Met people. We've walked past people. We've spoken to people. We've been people.
We even had a prolonged conversation just now.
Yeah, we did.
It's insane.
Like we're socialized.
What's the best thing about cruising? Not drowning, that's right.
Oh, not drowning, right.
We're walking among the lifeboats, taking a look at the promenade deck, where we can promenade, we can get our exercise, except this probably doesn't go all the way around.
No, so we're not getting any exercise.
Only on
New Caribbean.
New Amsterdam.
New Amsterdam.
Holland, America. If they were American, they could spell new properly. Well, it's day 2 of the JoCo Cruise. It's a day at sea on our way to Grand Turk. And today we are going to game.
Gaming.
Gaming takes place in the dining room until 3 o'clock, and then we move up to the Lido deck, where more gaming will take more place.
For more time.
Every one of these has an upper and lower bound, so the highest you can roll on wood is 4. And 3 on
I see that.
Yes.
Well, I'll buy the thing I made. I'm gonna want it anyway.
We played Tomorrow Lab,
Tomorrow.
which will come out with a different name sometime in the future. We played Holdout,
Yes.
a good game with a simple deck, and we played, well, I taught you how to play the Harvest.
Indeed.
But we have yet to have a real challenge of that game. Hello, child. Are you
We
ready?
were working on it.
Are you ready to buy a hot dog?
Yeah.
Let's do it. What does it say?
Vacuum me like one of your French rugs.
I don't know if we're going to be able to use this audio, my man.
Probably not. I'm hungry enough for a hamburger and a hot dog.
Hot dog.
Have you ever been on a cruise ship so much as we're on one right now?
We are still on a cruise ship. I don't know.
Somewhere they're celebrating our very appearance here. Downstairs they chant and cheer while we wait for a puppet making event.
Yeah.
My goodness, it's bright out here.
It's so bright.
It's day 3 and we've landed at Grand Turk, the grandest Turk of them all. Actually, it seems like the smallest island of all the Turks and Caicos.
Yeah.
But we're on it. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna buy a Starbucks mug. We're gonna go to the museum.
Go to the museum.
We're gonna eat at Margaritaville.
Yeah.
Nothing all that great.
Not all that grand. Not all that Grand Turk here, but you know.
We're learning about the salt farms.
Mm-hmm.
In a place where they have nothing but sunlight and salt water, they make salt.
Yep.
And we looked at an exhibit of a steampunk man and his spoons.
Steampunk man and his spoon.
And the ship's mast that was the foundation of this building.
Yes. Hugh Houston Hutchings.
And
Commissioner of Turks and Caicos.
And his son. He was commissioner of his son.
Charles Daniel Hutchings, and then presumably this is maybe the grandson, Hugh Charles Hutchings. They gave them some different monograms so that all the stuff wouldn't get confused.
Coming up on the left-hand side, this is where the British government works at. We have two governments, governor and a governor. The British government, he counts every 3 years. Our local government will appoint them every 4 years. This is Orford right here. This is a state named Waterloo, 1815 was established. And we have a female government house, the first time in history. And she makes the 16th governor here in the Turks and Caicos. Yes.
How are you enjoying your JoCo cruise, JoCo not?
Yeah, it's alright. It's going okay. It's,
We did some gaming.
get some gaming.
We did some touristing.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, do we have another day at sea?
Yeah.
Just parking in the Caribbean and floating around.
Yeah.
We returned from dinner to find a towel animal.
Majestic towel animal.
One of the most precious items that could be found aboard a JoCo cruise or any cruise of any stripe, aside from extremely expensive watches, which I'm very tempted by.
Don't even think, I swear to God.
What kind of animal is this, Nora?
Sorry, it made me mad thinking about the novelty watch you want to buy.
I want to buy this Yoda watch. It's the ugliest thing I've
It's
ever
the
seen.
ugliest thing.
It's time accurate to 3,000 feet. We could carry it as far as 3,000 feet away from the store and it'll still know what time it is.
That's amazing. Anyway, do you want to look at this rabbit?
Show us your flags, ladies. You made flags on Flag Day.
You surrender.
Very nice, very nice.
I just made a pirate flag. What were you up to?
The pirate flag is amazeballs.
It's alright.
And did you make one for Daddy?
Oh, yeah. Hang on. Crab Fragment Labs, now available now.
Your favorite game company is now available as a disposable flag.
Crab Fragment.
It's morning in the Dominican Republic and we are in it too, but we don't know what city it is or what there is to do.
Yay!
Because we like planning.
Starbucks.
We have to buy a Starbucks mug for a friend and everything else is up in the air. Let's go enjoy the DR, the last civilized nation on our itinerary.
Woo!
Save Florida.
Save Florida.
Save
Not
Florida.
civilized. Stay hydrated.
How's your Dominican Republic experience so far?
It's hot. We're gonna go on a lazy river. Hopefully that will help.
We're going to get our swimsuits. We're going to come back and drift around in circles within the protected area
Yeah,
of the Port Shopping Mall
the little theme park zoo area.
where everything costs more and is worth it.
Yeah.
We went to Dominican Republic today.
We sure did.
We got off at a different stop than we'd ever seen before. We saw the cruise port,
Cruise port.
the passenger safe, do not leave this area.
Oh yeah, uh-huh.
And then we also trekked out into the real world
A little bit.
where we saw heat,
Lots of heat.
not a Starbucks, a cathedral. Yes, we've been sent on a mission to pick up a Starbucks mug for a friend of ours from the Dominican Republic. These are available in a different city, but not this one.
Not this one,
It
no.
would take us 3 hours to drive there,
Or 2 days to walk.
to walk.
2 days to walk.
And so we're going to be sending her a picture of the map of how we can't get her the thing instead of.
I'm
getting
looking
her
forward
mug.
to that. Yeah. Yeah.
And then we came back to the ship and we got our swim trunks on and
Did a lazy river.
floated about the lazy river that's in the travel safe port area.
It's like a zoo. It's like all painted up like one.
It's a people zoo.
People zoo.
And this evening we're going to go see the musical stylings of Jonathan Coulton in concert
Yes.
as the sun sets over the mighty Caribbean.
Hi, we're gonna walk around the boat and collect stamps. I've been doing that.
Passengers of all cruise ships, but especially the JoCo Cruise, love to decorate their doorways in unique and interesting ways. We're going to go find the best doorways on the ship.
Oh, so that.
Oh, it's bright and windy out here
Not too windy, but much too bright.
in the outdoors. This is a sea day. We should never spend any time outdoors on a sea day.
No.
I don't even have my sunglasses.
Yeah.
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with all of us?
Ah.
Oh, look, indoors, just ahead.
Yeah. The fancy road.
Ooh, I like the fancy road.
Oh yeah, no, we're getting 2 plain hot dogs.
Dogs. Do you need a Band-Aid? Because this man has one for you.
Where's like the small?
Thank you for having a medicine cabinet on your door.
Absolutely. We like to help.
So true.
So true. Hashtag just girly things.
We returned from a very good musical concert to discover another towel animal in
Mystical, magical animal.
in our stateroom. What is it?
It's an elephant.
It seems to be an elephant. Look at this fine example of the towelier's art. It's day 6, and today we went to the beach, although we did not take the camera
No,
because it's the beach.
it's the beach.
And so we can see it from the balcony of our ship, the beautiful blue water, the white sand, and the really the nothing.
There's a whole lot of nothing.
We built sandcastles. We had a good time swimming. We took a boat back and forth, and then I thought I could ride this boat again and take video of it. And then I thought, what a waste of my afternoon. So
Yeah,
instead, we're going to watch Fast and Furious X
for the
third
third
time. We packed our bags. We traded Pokemons.
we took a nap.
We went to the beach in the morning, and we didn't video that.
We slept.
We took our last bites of this delicious JoCo Cruise.
And we slept.
And so as the sun sets over the beautiful Caribbean and the ocean laps at our heels, good night from the famous JoCo Cruise. We'll see you again next year.